this. It tastes good. Okay, so here I have the Callalloo. Some of it I think has started to sweat in the bag. Nonetheless, I'm going to wash this and make it into a nice juice. So whatever parts that look sweaty, I'm going to just remove those, which as you can see, most it's really fresh in the middle, but it's like these parts. Alright, so I'm going to add some vinegar and some salt, because if you know, everything I wash with vinegar and salt. While I'm at it, I'm going to add some mustard. I will also be adding a cucumber, some lettuce, I'm going to add some of the watermelon just to add some liquid or some juice. These dogs though, they have no respect. So once I get it liquefied, the first batch or the first set, once I get it liquefied, I go in with some more of the vegetables or fruits. A bit messy, but this looks real thick. Alright, so I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to now add the more liquid portion of the juice, which are the cucumbers and the watermelon. I have some more Callalloo here. I'm going to just add that as well. I need to get this cleaned up. And if you realize or observe, I've not added an ounce of water. All this juice is coming from the fruits and the vegetables. You can just wring it as though you are wringing a piece of garment to get out all of that greatness. I'm going to leave it right there. I'm going to rinse out my cup. And just like that, I have not as bad. This is nice. Yes, it tastes good.